The bad money habits trap. Most people think being broke is about not making enough money, but that's not true. Because every year, people get raises, promotions, side hustles, and somehow, they're still broke. It's not your income, it's your habits. The truth is, most people are stuck in a system of invisible money traps, habits that quietly drain wealth over time. And the worst part, they feel completely normal. Today, we're breaking down the 8 habits that keep people broke forever. Living beyond your means. This is the most obvious and the most dangerous. Spending more than you make. It starts small. A nicer apartment, a better car, a few treat-yourself moments. But over time, your lifestyle grows faster than your income. And suddenly, your paycheck is already spent before it even hits your account. You're not building wealth, you're financing an illusion. No emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Car breaks down, medical bill hits, job disappears, and if you don't have an emergency fund, you go into survival mode, which usually means credit cards, loans, debt. One unexpected expense can set you back years. Wealthy people prepare, broke people react. Retirement feels far away, so people delay it. I'll start later. I need more money first. But time is the most powerful wealth tool. The earlier you invest, the less you need to contribute. Wait too long, and you'll need to save massive amounts just to catch up. Ignoring retirement isn't just procrastination, it's self-sabotage. You get a raise, finally, but instead of investing the difference, you upgrade everything. Better car, better clothes, more expensive habits. This is lifestyle inflation, and it quietly resets your financial progress back to zero. You're earning more, but you're not keeping more. Modern spending is designed to be effortless. One click, one swipe, one tap, and suddenly, you spent money you didn't plan to. Impulse buying feels harmless, until it stacks up. $20 here, $50 there, turns into thousands per year. And if it's on credit, now you're paying interest on things you don't even use anymore. If you don't track your money, you will lose it every time. Because what you don't measure, you can't control. Most people think they know where their money goes. They don't. Subscriptions, food delivery, random spending, it adds up fast. Awareness is step 1. Without it, you're financially blind. A lot of people avoid investing because it feels risky, too complicated, too confusing, too scary, so they do nothing. And that's the real risk, because inflation is constantly eating your money. If your money isn't growing, it's losing value, slowly, quietly, every day. This is the fastest way to lose money. Following hype, jumping into trends without understanding them. Buying what everyone else is buying right before it crashes. Wealth isn't built on trends. It's built on strategy. Discipline beats hype every time. Here's the truth. Staying broke isn't random. It's predictable. And once you see these habits, you can't unsee them. So the question is, are you going to stay stuck in the cycle or break it? If you want to understand money in minutes and escape the financial trap most people never even notice, subscribe, because the next video might change how you see money forever.